Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you have watched my previous video on R functions and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay, today I'm going to start this video on RStudio Notebooks or simply R Notebooks and how to use that. An R notebook is an R markdown document with chunks that can be executed independently and interactively with output visible immediately beneath the input. So on RStudio, you need to click File, New File, and then click on R Notebook. Similarly, you can choose this icon and select R Notebook. It will immediately create the template of R Notebook on RStudio Space. There you can see the title, the output HTML notebook and some by default text. Okay, as you can see, it has one chunk written as an example, and on right hand side you will find option to execute this chunk and modify chunk options. Right, now let's execute this code, and as you can see, it will plot the cast data right here. So you get the idea for distance and speed from the default cast dataset. Actually, this document basically is like Jupyter Notebook in Python, where you get to write your custom comments and then you can also execute the code within your notebook. Right now, let's execute a super simple code. Right, now let's execute a super simple code such as summary of iris database. There I will use the chunk using Ctrl, Alt and I keys. Inside of this chunk, I'm gonna just use the function summary, then iris. Okay, now if I execute this code, it will show me the summary for iris data. You can go for iris 3 as well, and it will update iris 3 data. Then I'm using another code to generate ggplot using iris dataset. So everything happens easily within this notebook. Now I'm going to export my results and the code. So first I choose Preview Notebook and give a location and file name to save the file. Then it will immediately pop up current code and results. After that, I can export my results as an HTML file, PDF or Word file. Here I'm exporting the PDF file as an example. If you are trying to document your work with the datasets, you can use R Notebook. Okay, so this was a simple introduction on how to use Notebook in RStudio and how to get your code chunks to be executed and displaying output within a notebook. Right, that's the end of today's video on R Notebook. Hope you've learned something from this video. Please share your comments, questions and suggestions below. Like my videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Thank you.